getting more crystals for Dislyte game is very easy when you have the mod APK of the game. So I've got here Dislyte mod APK installed on my iPhone right here. And in this video, in this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get more crystals for the Dislyte game. So if you want to add more crystals, all I need to do is to click on that plus button right here, and each click should give you 10k of the crystals. So let's try it, and that's working really great. So yes, this is the mod APK of the Dislyte game, and I've got it from the bluedeals.club, as you can see right here on the watermark. And this mod APK is working for Android and iOS devices, and no root or jailbreak is required. So if you want to download it for your device, the Dislyte++, you should go to your browser and go to this bluedeals.club and find here the Dislyte mod. Click on here on the game icon, and you should choose your device, Android or iOS, your platform. So I've got here an iOS device, I've got here an iPhone, so I should click the iOS button, and when I do this, it will start the downloading process for my device. But I don't need to download it again because I already have it on my device. But if you want to download the Dislyte mod, you should go to bluedeals.club and find the Dislyte and select your platform, and that will be all. So if you have any troubles, you should check the how to download video tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed Dislyte with the unlimited crystals mod. So yes, that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. So bye.